What's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. BTT token, what's going on, my friends? If you are a BTT holders, so keep watch this video till the end, because in this video we discuss the serious issues of the BTT token, and we will also show you that when will the price pump of the Bittorrent token, my friends. So keep watch. And if you are new to my channel, click the red button, click the subscribe button, and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now first of all, we look the latest price update of the Bittorrent token, and after that we'll look the next move of the BTT Bittorrent token, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends. The latest price of Bittorrent token in the market at this time is 0.003709 USD dollar. You can see here, my friends, that is the currently price of the Bittorrent token on the at this time market, my friends. So what's going on? As I show you, my friends, on the thumbnail that Bittorrent are going to the moon, so I'm sure, and it's reality of BTT, that very soon Bittorrent token are going to the moon if you hold, my friends. And if you sell, nothing you will get. Remember that if you hold, nothing you will get, and if you sell, nothing you will get, and if you hold, absolutely you will get a good amount of profit from a Bittorrent token, my friends. At this time, I know at this time the price of token, the Bittorrent token is going negative, but that's not mean that every time that price of the BTT is falls down. No, that's not mean. That is the just temporary falls of the Bittorrent token, and now from this hour, my friends, that is possible for Bittorrent token that they will take a jump, and now they are in the pumping mood, but the pricing is still negative. That is why the pricing is showing here 0, my friends. Very soon the pricing will become positive. Remember, let's see the price chart of the Bittorrent token. As I show you, my friends, that is this time they take a jump, and absolutely I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Bittorrent token. The last 1 hour, every time the change occur in the BTT is positive, but from yesterday, unfortunately, the price of BTT is very fast down. But in some places, at some points, the BTT try to take a jump, but that's not a successful jump. And now this time, I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? And what is your prediction about BTT token? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, my friends.